How to use a single take shot in camera on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. So a single take is a powerful AI-driven camera feature on your phone that allows you to capture multiple photos and videos with just one press of the shutter button. Now, instead of taking a single picture, single take records a short video, usually between 5 to 15 seconds, and then automatically generates different styles of content, including best shots, filter photos, short video clips, slow motion and fast motion clips, and a wide and close-up shots. So depending on your surrounding, you may need to go outdoor to use a single take shot. So to use single take shot first, let's go back to the home screen and open up the camera app. Then at the bottom here, we're going to swipe across and then tap on more. In here, go down and select single take. And then after that, you want to tap the shutter button and move your phone around to capture different angles. And after a few seconds, the AI will process your shots. And you can view your result in the gallery app where you see multiple variation of one shot. Okay, so if I take on the shot right here, it will start to count down. I will move around and then I'll move far away. And here I move my phone up and down. We'll try a different angle. And okay, so after 15 seconds, we can now view the pictures. So we've got a close-up shots, different shots available right here. So again, depending on, so here, if we tap on that, so we've got quick video right here. We've got slow motion video. And then we've got other different crop shots. So we've got a crop shot right here. Filter pictures again. And then we've got the original video. So you can see the phone will generate various different types of photos and videos using a single shot. So use single take for moments where you don't want to miss anything. It automatically captures different creative shots without the extra effort, and perfect for social media content with multiple styles in one tap. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.